Financial leverage allows small investors to drastically increase the level of their investment. For example, if you invest 100 euros in forex and use the leverage 1 per 100, you're actually trading with the amount of 10,000 euros. Financial leverage is an extremely useful tool. Without the small investors would not be able to access trading. However, one should be careful when it comes to leverage. A ratio of 1.100 increases not only the potential profit, but the same ratio increases the chance of potential loss. Depending on the choice of broker, different leverage are offered. The most common brokers offer leverage is 1 per 50, 1 per 100, or even 1 per 500. Spread. Spread represents the brokerage commission. Every time when you open a position, the broker charges spread. It represents the difference between buying and selling prices. In general, the lowest average spread have currency pair with the highest trading volume. For example, the largest trading volume has the Euro-US dollar pair, and depending on the broker, spread can oscillate around 1 pip. While some exotic pairs, which are much less traded on the stock exchange, have spread over 20 pips. What does this mean for the trader? This means that it is much more profitable to trade with most traded pairs because they will be paid lower broker's commission or spread. Spread is calculated instantly as we play a position, and we can see that by noticing that we are starting this position with a small minus. The minus is the price that we pay for the services broker provides on the stock exchange, and that amount depends on the amount of spread. We will have an insight into the spread value when we explain the ask price. Lot. Lot represent the size which measures the amount of money we invest in each trade. One of the standard lot size is 100,000 US dollars. In addition to the standard lot, there are mini lot that is 10,000 US dollars and micro lot that is worth 1,000 US dollars. The amount of lots we entering by clicking a new order, and then in box volume the amount that we invest in our trade. In the drop down menu we have offered volume of lots at least 0.01. That means one micro lot and up to an amount that allows the size of the deposit and brokerage leverage. For example, if we want to enter trade with 3,000 US dollars, we will enter 0.03 in the box volume, and that represents 3 micro lot. Long position. Long position represents a buy position on the market. For example, when you buy the currency pair US dollar, you are in a long position in this pair, and it can be said that you are in long euro against the dollar. A short position represents a sales position in the market. For example, if you sell the currency pair euro US dollar, you are in short position, or we can say that you are shorting euro against the dollar.